how to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing in less than 50 seconds. So in today's short video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So all what you want to do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps, and then go to the apps, open the Instagram, and after that all what you want to do here is very simple. Click on the notifications management and then enable all the notifications like this. Go back, open the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled from here, and after that you have to go back, click on the power usage details, and then disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. After that, open the Play Store or the App Store and update your Instagram by searching for it and click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.